Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to send gift message on Messenger. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Messenger app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. This is the home page of your Messenger account. Now to send a gift message, you will have to click on the person whom you want to send that. So I'm tapping on here. Then you will have to tap on message icon here. So tap on it. Then type a message like this. Then tap on arrow icon which is available, or you should simply tap on search icon which is available on the bottom side of your screen. Then you will see the second option of gift, so tap on it. Now see, gift message has been sent successfully, so tap on it to open and read the message. See, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.